Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. We are here at the Thyssenkrupp Elevator Company. It is September 26, 2016, and we're right off of at Conroy, Windermere Road, close to that, in this big industrial park. Goes all the way back, a lot of big industrial commercial buildings. But this is Thyssenkrupp, big elevator company. I'm sure you've heard of them. And we were here on Saturday to paint this building. It was already prior to that, it was pressure washed and sealed and cracks patched and windows plastic off and the whole 9 yards. I'm big on prep. So brought in a big crew on Saturday and we got 3 sides of the building done. We couldn't get the back done because there's a big gate in the back that was locked, and for some reason we didn't end up having the correct gate code. So we got the 3 sides done and we're here today. I just got a few guys in the back finishing up the back. The stucco was done on Friday of last week. So it's just the blue back there, the blue metal, big roll-up garage door, and 3 slab doors that they're doing this morning. This is all Sherwin-Williams exterior duration. The blue is a gloss finish. I like using gloss finishes on smooth metal, especially it has a vibrant color like blue that will fade faster than, say, like the bottom softer tan there. It's an earth tone pastel. They don't fade as fast as these ultra deep bases, so I like to go with the gloss. It repels the sunlight and it just looks like it's factory. Right now that looks like they just had this metal installed, brand new. So I like the gloss finish look on smooth metal. The bottom's all a color called softer tan. That color may look familiar to you. I'm not sure. We just it's kind of Sherwin-Williams' new colors. I know we know Sherwin-Williams as red, white, and blue, and that is still their logo. But all their buildings, we've painted the Sherwin-Williams manufacturing plant on Sand Lake Road, right over close to the Florida Mall, big 200,000 square foot building. We painted the entire building this color right here, softer tan, and then it had trim like some jog outs that we painted a darker color called basket beige. We painted the 500,000 square foot Sherwin-Williams distribution center in Winter Haven quite a while ago now. That was all softer tan. We painted the whole Sherwin-Williams. They have like a strip mall, kind of a small like 5-store little strip mall over off of 436 in Pershing. There's a Sherwin-Williams store there, and then there's like 4 businesses in that same plaza, and that was all softer tan as well. So when I brought this color up to the powers that be for this company, they went for it in a second, and it's just a great color. It gives the crazy contrast for that blue, really makes that blue pop out. It's a color too, you know, so it's not like stark white where it's kind of bland and boring and shows all the dirt and everything all the time. It's just a really nice neutral color that can kind of go with anything. It really goes good with this blue right here. So the sidewalk here all the way down, we brought in the floor scrubbers and it was covered with mildew, so now it's nice and clean. We brought in the floor scrubbers and washed that. Nice satin finish on the body, gloss finish on all the vertical blue. Again, this is all Sherwin-Williams exterior duration. Good sized building, probably 9,000–10,000 square feet. That vertical metal there, I can't describe you. It's probably hard to see in this video, but it really looks like It's just brand new siding installed over the weekend. It came out absolutely flawless. Nice and smooth and nice shine to it. So we're back here right now. This body was done on Friday. They got the building sealed on Friday. All the cracks were patched. Trenched around the building. Put up a 3M film on all the windows. Covered up any lots of lights and stuff around the building. We didn't do anything back here. I see that light's on. We didn't want to leave any paper up over the weekend. So anything else that we painted between Friday and Saturday was all thoroughly protected. Air conditioners, everything thoroughly protected. So we're back here doing the blue back here. And we just ran a paper line right along that, underneath the blue metal there. Make a nice, perfect razor sharp straight line, you know, with no overspray. So we'll pull all that paper up here when they're done. Check for any imperfections. I see a piece of paper fell down right there, and they got a little spot to touch up right there. They just sprayed this big roll-up door. They'll take all this paper and tape down. Check for any imperfections. Gather all the paint. We'll label all the paint and put it inside their warehouse here for any further touch-up use. And these three guys are done. They'll join. They'll leave here. It's only like 9:30 in the morning. So they'll be done here in a couple hours, and they'll go join another one of my crews over at the Train facility. Train Air Conditioners, the facility over in Kissimmee, to start refurbishing some of their, they have 2 or 3 big pieces of machinery that they need refurbished, so we got to clean it and prep everything, and then we bring in our HVLP system and put a smooth factory finish on all their equipment. We've been doing all their refurbishing for quite a long time, so they'll go join that. It's kind of a rush job. So they need it done quickly, so I'll put some more manpower on those pieces of equipment for them and knock it out. But again, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters LLC, 407-267-5886. I'd like to thank the Thyssenkrupp Elevator Company. I was just telling the branch manager here, Lamar, that I was in Las Vegas a few weeks ago going to a wedding, and I was in the Cosmopolitan, and I was coming down the elevator, or the escalator I should say, and when I got to the bottom, you know, there's a big metal plate at the end that you kind of step on. It was the Thyssenkrupp Elevator Company installed all the elevators there at the Cosmopolitan. So it's a nationwide company, really big company. I didn't know a lot about them until I started doing business with them, and very impressive company. But we appreciate the business. Thank you very much. Thanks, Lamar. Appreciate it, man. Well, it's Monday. Thanks for watching this short commercial / industrial video of ours. Again, we appreciate the business. Thank you and have a wonderful week.